I'm the coordinator of the project, and I wish to give some information about the project, as I see that we have here participation from colleagues within the project who, of course, know very well what TOMRES is, but also from many colleagues from outside the project who are interested in our work, which started in 2017 and is now close to the end. We had some delay due to COVID. Can you please, Hannah, go to the next slide? The TOMRES project stemmed from this challenge, solution to multiple and combined stressing for production, and the basic reasons for setting up the project were that we have problems in water availability in the EU agriculture and specifically in horticulture, that fertilizers are becoming a problem, so they are either less available and they are not well exploited. Sometimes we have too many fertilizers with impact on environmental conditions in soils and in waters. And finally, that some plants, horticulture plants like tomato, although we have many ancient relatives very tolerant to stress, have lost during domestication much of this tolerance. And so this is a problem in these conditions, especially in Mediterranean conditions, but Southern Europe conditions, but as concerns fertilizers also in other parts of Europe. And in the next slide, some facts about TOMRES. So it started 3 years ago. 10 countries, 10 European countries participate, and plus Israel. 25 partners. We have many SMEs and farmers and farmer associations participating to the project. The duration was originally planned in 42 months. Now it's 4 years, so it's going to end this spring. The support was support of 6 million euros. And we have been working also together with a very efficient advisory board, which is represented today by Professor Antonio Granel, and also with a stakeholders board representing many stakeholders, so companies, farmers, and associations, which has helped us a lot in focusing our research as expected by the multi-actor approach which is embedded in this project. And the next slide gives you a list of the main objectives and also the work packages. And this is, besides the title, I want to stress that these work packages confront the different levels and different kinds of science, focusing anyway on the problem of resilience to combined stress. So we have the first work package is basically selection and identification of parental genetic material to be used for breeding. The second work package concerns biological research on traits, physiological molecular traits that can be relevant, can be exploited in our aim. The third one is an agronomical work package studying and analyzing different tools in agronomical conditions. The fourth package is integration and analysis of environmental impact. The fifth package is demonstration in the field, and the sixth package is dissemination, and this webinar is part of this package, of course. And finally, the next slide is a figure where we included some of the tools and some of the subjects we are studying within TOMRES. I think this figure is important as it can give an idea of the complexity of the science and of the different levels of science that are confronted in TOMRES. We go from phytohormones and biostimulants to omic analysis, to the application of so-called living manure or use of nitrogen enrichment using organic techniques in the soil. the study of soil microbiota and mycorrhizae. And this made the project quite complicated, but this gave the project the possibility to offer a wide array of solutions to improve the situation in tolerance of to combined stress. And this is also why in this webinar, and also in the next webinar, which will take place 10 days from now, on the 15th of March, that will be more related to applied results, you will have information and you will hear research on different aspects of science, different approaches to the same problem of improving tolerance to combined stress. So with this, I thank you, and I thank all those that were not part of the project and that wish to be informed on this. I hope this webinar will give them the possibility to get new information, and also to interact with participants of this TOMRES project.